Hi, this is the 2014 D1 paper, and this is question 6. It's a travelling salesman, if you just about see it. First question's relatively straightforward. Write the best lower bound. Well, the best lower bound is the upper bound, and the best upper bound is the lowest. So when we're looking here for the best upper bound, we're going to look for the lowest value along here, so we're going to have to say 30. Okay, so 30 is the best upper bound because we're trying to hone in on a solution that's the closest to the optimum value as possible. So the lowest upper bound is the one we're looking for, and the highest, the best lower bound is the highest. So we're going to look along here, and the highest is 20. So that's the first 2 marks, 30 and 20. B then is a travelling by train, Rob. He start at M and visit everywhere else. So we're looking for, there's no direct journey between, no direct journey available. Right, so looking at the next part of the question, it's over here, and very big. Explain why the minimum travelling time for M to N is not 283. So M to N down here is 236, and 236 you get by going along from here and here. So you have to explain in this part, travel from M to N via L reduces the time. Okay, so that's the answer we're looking at that. Find the upper bound for the minimum travelling time using the tour M, N, B, E, L, M. Which means we're going to have to go back here, which is going to be really good. M to N. Okay, so I've written up the route that we've suggested that we need to travel along, or that it's asked to write as route. So M to N is 236. So 236 to here. N to B is 192. B to E is 230. E to L is 148. L to M is 126. Okay, if we add all of those together, that will provide us with the shortest value. Lovely, so that all adds up to 932, which is the correct answer. And then the next part of the question says write down the actual route corresponding to that. So if we go back to that question, we can find that if we started off at M and we wanted to go to N, we've already realised that 236 you can only get by going via L, so it's MLN. And from N to B, then you've also got to travel. So N to B was 192, which you can only get by going NLB. B to E, you have to get, so B to E was 230, which you can only get by going L, again, BLE. E to L is fine, and L to M is fine. So that is the actual route that you will take, even though it's not the route that we've got on our details. So then it says use the nearest neighbour algorithm to starting from M to find another upper bound for Rob's tour. So we're going to go back here again, and we're going to have to use nearest neighbour on here. So we're starting at M. Okay, so looking at M, go down M, the shortest route we can find is 102. So you'd go to B for 102. From B, you would look down there and go to L, which is 82. From L, so we got down to L. From L, you would look down and then go to N, which is 110. And from N, you would then want to go to M. No, because we've already been to M, so we're going to take that back. B, L. So from N, because we've already been there. Oops. need to rub out M because we started there. Oh no, we're going to be going back there. So from N to E at 258, and from E back to M, which is 244. Okay, you have to go back to M. So that's that one done.